the part of the brain that allows us to time travel. Wait, what?
What's up, YouTube? Gosh, here with another video, and today we are going to be on a website called anatomyarcade.com, and we're going to be playing some nervous system games. Okay, I guess we'll just do the brain jigsaw. Let's see. There we go. Let's go. Right. It's loading. Well, there we go. Okay, we're going to start. Nice. Whoa, okay. I got a text from my mom. Human and gorilla ancestors split 10 million years ago in Africa. Fossil show. Nice. Alright, so let's look for the corners first. Oh, there's a corner. Nice. But some of these are upside down. This one is upside down. How do I fix it? Turn. Is there a turn button anywhere? Oh, I use the arrow keys. Okay. Alright. The corner. Get over there. What are you doing? Stay there. God. Okay. Dabba dabba. Yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba doodle. Yeah, we got two pieces together. Nice. Oh, there it is. Put that down right there, and on the brain. There, nice. Okay, we're doing good. Oh, it was down there. Okay. Wait a second. Oh. So it's not like full. It's not like full size. Okay, where's another corner? We need one more corner. I feel like it's that thing right there. Yep, there it is. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that goes right there. Wait, is it done like that again? Oh. Okay, so it's even smaller than I thought. Oh, almost done. I'm excited. Here we go. Where's this go? I don't know. Okay, that's upside down. And last piece. We did it! We got a D. That's not a good grade. Whoa, what happened? Nice tropical smoothie. Well, I'm gonna leave that video off right here.
Wait, don't go. I know you were gonna go. I know it. I know you. You would have gone if I hadn't have said wait right there. I just know it. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little presentation of the nervous system. So, oh, holy bejesus. He needs to lose some weight. That's not it either. There we go. The nervous system allows the brain to communicate with the rest of our body. The brain uses neurons and neurotransmitters to send electrical impulses to our whole body. A neuron is a special nerve cell that transmits signals between different parts of the body. Basically, every body system, muscular, skeletal, digestive, excretory, and other systems, all need the brain and nervous system to function. It tells the muscles when to move, the stomach when to contract, and the heart when to beat. So here we have two diagrams of the brain. We got the lobes and the 5 parts. These are the 2 diagrams of the brain. Let's get to all the parts and what they do. Let's start with the frontal lobe. This is my favorite part of the brain because it is the part that makes us both human and also unique individuals. This is the part of the brain that controls our most important thoughts, such as emotional expression, problem solving, memory, language, judgment, and sexual behavior. It is also responsible for our ability to consciously move our muscles. I could talk all day about the frontal lobe, but the parietal lobe is getting impatient, so let's move on. The parietal lobe is located in the upper back part of the cortex, and it has many important jobs. It has to be able to process sensory information very quickly. This is the part of the brain where information such as taste, temperature, and touch are processed. Next, we have the occipital lobe. This part of the brain is helping you see this video right now. The occipital lobe processes in nanoseconds all the information our eyes are sending us. Another very important part of the brain is the temporal lobe. This is the part of the brain that allows us to time travel. Wait, what? Oh, just kidding. The temporal lobe mainly revolves around hearing and selective listening. It receives sensory information such as sounds and speech from the ears. In fact, we would not be able to understand someone talking to us if it weren't for the temporal lobe. Next is the cerebellum, which actually means little brain in Latin. The cerebellum helps us with fine motor controls, smaller movements, paying attention, and language. It also helps us to manage both fear and pleasure. If this part of the brain were damaged, we would struggle to maintain our balance, make fine movements, and improve our physical abilities with practice. Up next is Mr. Brainstem, or Mr. Medulla Oblongata, but I think we can all agree that Mr. Brainstem has a better ring to it. This is the part of the brain that is in charge of involuntary muscle functions, such as breathing air, digesting food, and circulating blood. Next we have the cerebrum. This is a very important part of the brain that controls our thinking, movements, memory, language, and so many other things. It is the biggest and uppermost part of the brain. The cerebrum basically surrounds everything on the inside. The 4 lobes of the brain make up the cerebrum. After that is the hypothalamus. This is the part of the brain that detects temperature and makes us sweat. Last but not least, well, it's pretty small. I mean, I guess it kind of is the least. I mean, not to hurt its feelings or anything. The pituitary gland. This tiny, 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 tiny part of the brain is responsible for growth, hormones, and puberty. This is also the link from the nervous system to the endocrine system. One disease that affects our nervous system greatly is cerebral palsy. It limits the cerebrum and the cerebellum. Cerebral palsy makes it impossible to talk, walk, or hold things, and makes it hard to move in general. There's currently no cure for it, and it is impossible to recover from it. Here are some fun facts about the nervous system. There are more nerve cells in the human body than stars in the Milky Way. Newborn babies lose about half of their nerve cells before birth. Strange. The surface area of an average human brain is about 25,000 square centimeters. There are 100 billion neurons in just the human brain, and finally, the weight of our brain decreases by almost 1 gram every year. It's probably because I'm getting stupider and stupider. And here are my resources. So yeah, I'll take you back to the outro.
If you liked it, and give me an A. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.